Domination, speed, and aggression, gentlemen.
You think you can use this foot?
All right, where are you going? You're going straight.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go right.
Because it's good here. If I get out, I'm going over.
Let's do this.
Go. Go to the hotel, boys.
Alpha secure.
Nice. Two.
How far up?
Not far. 25 meters. You see him? Yeah, he's hit. One more. I'm going in. You see him left side?
Enemy spotted.
Yeah. You're good.
Where are you looking at? 5 minutes remaining! 5 minutes!
You're hit.
No team controls Panda!
Oh, ref, sorry.
I don't have a gun or I would! And it's yellow! And it's yellow!
Bravo secure. Domination.
Blue team has domination!
Friendly, friendly, friendly.
Hi. Hi.
Hit. Fox. Yep. You were hit beforehand.
Domination.
Get Panda, boys. Get Panda.
We lost B.
Oh, you shot me.
Sorry, brother.
No.
Yeah, there's one right here behind that box. If you kick a little bit lower, it's right here, right there. See it?
Yeah, but he's not peeking.
Yeah. The camera is good, man.
Yeah. I don't even see him. Here, I'm going over here.
Holy shit. You got hit?
Tell what? Yo, one's amble, one's amble.
Amble, where's that at?
Right there behind me.
Nice.
I headshot him.
Where they at? Where they at?
How does the flag look?
I just got one on hotel.
Here, if you can protect me. Come on.
He's right there. He's peeking.
Hey, over here. Over here.
Joe, Ray Connick, that fuck.
He's right there. He has a heartbeat.
Black Cody. On the outside of the building. Just go ahead and respawn. Hey, I'm coming to you. Hit! Hey man, coming out. Watch the woods, watch the woods.
Give me your. I swear I hit him. I don't know if he's out or not in the woods.
Yeah, keep that flag.
I'm going for it. You shoot whoever.
Here. Take this, try to get him.
Is it on?
No, it's not. Gotta arm it. Take
All
it
right.
back.
3, 2, 1, go. Hit. What?
You good?
Do they have the flag? Do they have the flag? Okay. Do they have the flag?
Yeah. I can just at least try and get the flag out.
I'm gonna go left side, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Flag dropped.
Nice.
My shoulder blade again. It didn't go in.
Oh no. Is he hit?
Oh, we heard. But we understand.
Flag captured.
Trusting y'all so hard right now. I'm not. We're good. I'm good. Put a bunch of shots past me.
Good job, Grunts. Get ready for the next round.
Woo! How many people did I get?
A bunch.
All of them.
Like how they didn't, they were bouncing
Yeah.
right above you. I don't understand how they didn't get you.
It's called camo, I guess. I
That
don't
was
know.
crazy. Like,
I ran off ammo. You saw me freaking out with the reload.
of exposure and you're just like hanging on.
Yeah.
Ow.